StreamStat is a web-based service mapping application that provides information that can be used by engineers, hydrologists, planners, and others to make informed decisions on water-related activities. Primary products are basin delineations, basin characteristics, and estimates of stream flow statistics. It provides information for gauged and user-selected ungauged sites on streams. It also allows use of stream network navigation for information discovery and analysis. This information can be used for the following. Watershed. Watershed is an area of land that channels rainfall through streams, creeks, and to outflow points such as to a reservoir, bays, and to the ocean. If this excess rainfall reaches impervious surfaces or is so much that these channels overflow, then it results in flooding. Flow paths identified can depend on the catchment characteristics and the ultimate objective of the investigation, with 2 to 4 flow paths typically representing responses of flow processes reaching a river. These flow paths are used in hydrological models to attempt to capture the processes in a catchment to provide river flow information. Design point. A design point is the point selected from a set of rainfall values that we seek to analyze in the design rainfall or catchment process. Lastly, we can interpret this information to discuss basin boundary. Basin boundaries define the geographic area included in each groundwater basin. The boundary between drainage basins is a drainage divide. All the precipitation on opposite sides of a drainage divide will flow into the different drainage basins. How to use USGS StreamStats. Step 1. Select a state or region you would like to analyze. In this case, we are using Hawaii. Next, we select our region. We do this by typing a city or location we would like to look at. In this case, we are looking at University of Hawaii at Manoa. To figure out where we're at, we can either identify a study area or we could change the layers on the map, as shown here, in which we have selected imagery. Now, here we are at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. As you can see, there are many streamlines going in and out of this valley. Step 2. Select one of the streamlines in your given area. Then click on Delineate. This process may take a while, but it will be identifying the streamline you selected in order to look at the total basin catchment area. Next, click on Continue to get more information about this basin. As you can see, we are given the option to look at the peak flow statistics, but there are also other characteristics that you can look at and analyze. Here are some of the options I am showing you on my screen. Once you have selected the given data you want to analyze, click on Continue in order to see and review a report of all this data. As you can see, we have the StreamStat report, and from here you can look at all the given parameters, data, and rainfall statistics in this region, but not just the region alone, but also the specific catchment basin. As you can see, even after we click out, the catchment basin we have selected is still highlighted for us to review. Now, Hawaii is just one of the many states that we can analyze and review streamlines for catchment basin information. But as you can see, as we get closer to Guam and we try to analyze a streamline, we are not given any information. What this application can mean for Guam, and why Guam should participate in the USGS StreamStat. One major benefit is the engineering benefit. This will allow us to better plan for future projects such as expanding roads, bridges, storm drains, and water catchment basins. Another benefit would be safety. The USGS StreamStat information will allow us to determine high-risk flood zone areas to better prepare for emergency situations. Lastly, we have the benefit of water and land management. This will allow us to better plan for surveying and for conducting studies on land and property management. Furthermore, this will help us regulate our water quality and track stormwater during heavy rainfalls.